My children, let me ask you something. What is the first thing you do when your paycheck hits your account? Do you pay your bills? Do you save? Or do you suddenly feel like you can finally afford everything you've been looking at? Be honest. Because for many people, the problem isn't that they don't make enough money. The problem is that their money already has 1,000 places to go before it even arrives. The paycheck comes in on Friday, and by Sunday, you're wondering, where did all my money go? Today, Grandma wants to give you 7 simple things to do every single time you get paid. These aren't complicated investment strategies. They are simple habits that can completely change the way you handle money. Let us discuss your finances. Number 1, don't spend your paycheck immediately. You must plan first. My children, this is where many people get into trouble. You receive your paycheck and suddenly you feel rich. You order food. You buy something you've been wanting. You send money to somebody. You go shopping. You upgrade something. And before you know it, your paycheck has started disappearing. Listen carefully. Getting paid does not mean you have extra money. It means you have money that now needs a plan. Give yourself a little breathing room. You don't have to spend money just because it's available. In fact, one of the smartest things you can do after getting paid is absolutely nothing for a few hours. Look at your account. Take a breath. Ask yourself, what does this money need to accomplish before I spend a single dollar? Yes. Listen to this. That one question can save you from a lot of unnecessary spending. Number 2, pay yourself first. If you wait until the end of the month to save whatever is left over, you may discover something very painful. There is nothing left. Why? Because money has a funny way of finding somewhere to go. That's why you should put money aside for yourself before you start spending on everything else. It doesn't have to be a huge amount. Maybe it's $20, maybe it's $50, maybe it's 5% of your paycheck. The amount matters less than the habit. Create a separate savings account if possible, and move the money there automatically. Think about it this way. When you pay the electric bill, you're paying the electric company. When you pay your rent, you're paying your landlord. When you pay yourself by saving, you're building security for your future. Don't make your future self the person who gets whatever is left over. Pay yourself first. Number 3, take care of your essential bills. Now that you've put some money aside, don't rush to spend the rest. First, take care of the things that keep your everyday life running. Pay your rent or mortgage. Take care of your electricity and other household bills. Set aside money for transportation, for your insurance payments, and any required debt payments. These are not luxury expenses. These are your responsibilities. Yes. And here's the important part. Don't look at your entire paycheck as spending money. Your paycheck already has responsibilities attached to it. Take care of those responsibilities first, then decide what you can comfortably spend. That's how you stay in control of your money instead of wondering where it went. Number 4, attack high-interest debt. My children, debt can quietly eat your future. Especially expensive debt. You can work hard. You can get a raise. You can increase your income. But if a large portion of your money keeps going toward interest, you're running a race while somebody is pulling you backward. Yes. So after covering your essentials, look at your high-interest debt. Credit cards are a common example. Now, let's talk about debt. If you have a credit card or another expensive loan, don't ignore it. Take a moment to look at what you owe. Know your balance. Know how much you're being charged. And know the payment you need to make each month. Then, create a simple plan to bring that balance down. You don't have to fix everything in one day. Just keep making progress. And whenever you have a little extra money, consider putting some of it toward that debt. Because the less you owe, the more of your future paycheck you get to keep. Your paycheck should help build your future, not keep paying for your past. Number 5, give yourself a spending limit. Now, Grandma doesn't want you to live like you can never enjoy your money. Money is meant to serve your life. You can eat out, you can buy something nice, you can enjoy yourself. The problem isn't enjoying money. The problem is enjoying money without boundaries. So give yourself a spending limit. After you've handled your important obligations and savings, decide, this is what I can comfortably spend until my next paycheck. And when that amount is gone, stop. This is where discipline comes in. You don't need to feel guilty every time you spend. You simply need to know whether the spending fits your plan. Because financial discipline isn't about saying no to everything. It's about being able to say, yes, I can afford this, and I know exactly why. That's a completely different relationship with money. Number 6, put money toward one important financial goal. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on one goal, and you will achieve it. My child, don't just save money without knowing what you're saving for. Give your money a destination. Maybe you're building a $1,000 emergency fund. Maybe you're saving for a house. Maybe you're paying for school. Maybe you're starting a business. Maybe you're investing for retirement. Maybe you simply want to stop living paycheck to paycheck. Whatever the goal is, give it a name. Because when your money has a purpose, it's easier to protect. Let's say you have an extra $100. You could spend it on things you won't remember 6 months from now. Or you could put it towards something that moves your life forward. That doesn't mean you should never enjoy $100. It means you should learn to ask, which choice will make my future self happier? Sometimes the answer is spending, sometimes the answer is saving, and sometimes the smartest answer is investing. The goal is to stop letting every paycheck disappear into random expenses. Start making your money work towards something. Number 7, give every dollar a job. This final one may be the most important. Before your next paycheck arrives, you should have a general idea of where your current paycheck is going. Not because you want to control every second of your life, but because unplanned money tends to become unplanned spending. Give your money jobs. This amount is for bills. This amount is for groceries. This amount is for savings. This amount is for debt. This amount is for investing. And yes, this amount is for enjoyment. Now your money has direction. You don't have to become obsessed with budgeting. You simply need to stop allowing your paycheck to wander around without a purpose. Because here's the truth. You don't build financial stability by wondering where your money went. You build it by deciding where your money should go before it disappears. Yeah. My children, getting paid is not the finish line. It's the beginning of another financial decision. Every paycheck gives you another opportunity. An opportunity to save, an opportunity to reduce debt, an opportunity to invest, an opportunity to build an emergency fund, an opportunity to become more disciplined than you were with your last paycheck. And please remember this, you don't have to become wealthy overnight. You just need to stop making the same financial mistakes every time you get paid. Small decisions repeated over months and years can create very different financial lives. So the next time your paycheck arrives, don't immediately ask, "What can I buy?" Ask, "What can this money build?" That is the question that changes everything. Your paycheck should not simply help you survive until the next payday. It should help you build a life where the next payday doesn't control you. This is Grandma reminding you, earn with purpose, spend with wisdom, save with discipline. I'll see you in the next lesson at Grandma's Wealth Academy. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next class.